Hi guys, here we are at Deganwy station level crossing in Conwy with AB Trains and Brandon, who joins us remotely. These barriers bang. There we go. Now, the time is... Alright, give me a minute. Just clear all the crap off. 12:59 on Saturday the 23rd of August 2025, and this is for our delayed 12:55 2 Delta 67 transport for Wales service from Llandudno to Llandudno Junction. First time featuring Brandon in a real live video.
Yeah, well.
Because until now it was on Roblox videos, but here we are. I'm gonna go on that side of this.
In person, but now it's sadly, but I have to do it on call.
Yeah, because one half happens to be busy and the other half wouldn't give a reason. Oh, and the gimbal barrier supporter wire is still here. I would have thought they got replaced.
Nah.
That barrier doesn't have the gimbal.
I doubt they will. I would think.
That barrier over there is gimbaled. This crossing's got two headlights. There's one on each side, because obviously there's access to the Llandudno bound platform. And that wigwag's a bit bent as well. Yes, I've only just noticed it.
First thing I saw was giving a call was that wigwag.
And I might also get another closure here, because the next one's at 13:06. So I might as well stay for that.
Yeah, I think like...
And the...
5 minutes time.
Yeah, and the next one after is at 13:20, which I'll get a Deganwy key, which is over there. Well, it's down right now, because the train's not far up. Here she is. We have 197043 again. That's 3 times I've seen that one. 197043 to Llandudno Junction, and I saw it at what's it called? Talacafan. Up they go. And again at Conwy.
Okay, now it's time to go back down in a few minutes.
Yeah, thanks guys, next video.